My favourite cricket moment in history is Melbourne 1998. Got man of the match, really enjoyed it, stuffed it up the Aussies. Everyone. Loads of people have hit me for six. Phil de Freitas, Derbyshire, one-day game. But don't tell him. Michelle Pfeiffer. Vauxhall Cavalier. No, I just talk a lot. We didn't play darts, but I would imagine it would have to be Robert Key, because he's got the physique for it. Chris Penn, Kent bowler, bit mad. As in mad, as in stupid. Ed Giddins. Text cricket to 70123 to donate £5 to Cricket United.